Imagine that this summer, you could be owning just one pair of sustainable shoes designed for optimal comfort and elegant Italian style. To be slipped on anytime and anywhere. Introducing Aplo Women's Sandal. One sandal for all occasions. We are the new generation of go-to sandals, fulfilling women's desire for timeless, comfortable, and sustainable footwear for all of their daily adventures. Each Aplo sandal is made out of 4.8 PET bottles. 3D knitting provides us with extreme production control, eliminating human error. We can ensure rapid prototyping and reduced overstock. Aplo sandals are meticulously crafted with a high-density memory foam for a really soft footbed. Made with 3D knitting mesh technology, so it's super breathable. Providing antibacterial protection, ensuring no odors. 3D knitting knits the shape so that the strap hugs the foot and follows its form, making our sandals super comfortable. Aplo is 100% water-friendly and is as strong as normal plastic. This is the only sandal you will need. One sandal for all occasions, giving you freedom to live every day, consuming less and living more. Aplo Women's Sandals.